Good evening, class. Good morning, whatever time it is that you catching this video. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to start your actual sewing projects. You should all have completed your sewing sample. Let me show you a completed one. Your sewing sample should be now completed, just like this. And you should have turned it in. Remember, you get 3 100 test grades for completing that. The next step is to actually start your projects. So the first step to your actual project is you're all going to get a piece of fabric from the fabric table in the back of the classroom. It has a circle already marked for you, so all you have to do is cut it out. It will be 2 sheets, 2 pieces of fabric. So don't pull it apart, because if you pull it apart, then it's hard to get it even back, lined back up. So just keep it together just like this. So once you get your fabric like this, you want to take your pins. You have 4 pins, and if you look at the board here, you're going to pin it, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here. I'm going to show you how to do this the correct way so that you don't mess up. So the first thing you do is you locate your 4 pins. Here's one. Remember, the pin has the ball at the top. The needle does not. The needle has the hole. So you want to pin it. In order to pin, you go through the paper, through the fabric, and poke right back through, just like this. So this is how it should look. You want to put 4 of these in the places that the board tell you, and it's simply just going right around the fabric. Okay, so once you have all of the pins in, you're going to take your project, your fabric, to the back table. That is the fabric table. Do not remove the scissors from that table, because those scissors are the only scissors that you can use to cut the fabric. Okay, once you have it all pinned, you go to the back table and you cut around the circle. So just follow the lines that I have already cut for you. That way you won't mess it up. Once you get your fabric, that's it. Remember, according to the price list, fabric does cost. Depending on what class you in, depends on how much it is. Now, right now, I'm using a 6th grade sewing sewing project. They do smaller emoji pillows. 7th and 8th grade, yours will be bigger and bigger. So you will have more, your prices will be different depending on what grade you're in. But once you now have it cut out, the next step, look at the board. It tells you where to start. Once you find that starting point, you want to start there and sew all the way around until the stop sign. You have to be sure that you stop there, because that's when we flip it. Okay? Another thing to be sure of, when your thread is getting short and you're running out of thread, you need to stop and come and get some more. Miss Robinson will show you how to tie it so that it doesn't come loose, and you would just get some more thread and keep going. Okay, I'm going to start at my starting point, which is going to be right there. You poke through both sides. Now, your knot is looking at you. Remember when we did the sewing sample, you went through the front and then you turned around and poked through the back. Front, back, front, back. When you're doing your actual sewing project, you are only sewing on the front side. So you just keep sewing on the front side. You bring your thread right back to you, just like this. And you want to be sure that you're staying fairly close to the edge, because it takes away from the size of your emoji pillow. And I know you all want as big as you can, so stay on the edge and be very consistent with it. So if you start close together, well, all of you should start close together. If you don't, once you flip it, your cotton is going to come right through. So be very consistent and keep it going at the same distance apart from each other. Now you want to sew this all the way around until your stop sign. Just keep going. And you guys are going to use yellow fat thread, so you're going to have to pay close attention. I'm only using black for this video so that you can actually see it. You want to sew this all the way around until you get to the stopping point on the board. Once you get to that stopping point, you then want to make sure you tie it. And if you need help tying, you just come and see Miss Robinson, and you know I'll help you out there. Once you get to that stopping point and you tie it, you then take all of your pins out. Take your pins out. Then you're going to flip it. Flip it inside out. The purpose of flipping it is so that you can stuff your fabric and no one can see your stitches and all the mistakes that you're going to make. It's okay. Then you stuff it with the cotton. And then I'm going to make another video to show you how to sew it up close. That is how you complete your sewing projects. 6th grade, your pillow is about this size. 7th grade, yours is about this size. In 8th grade, you have the typical big ones with the fuzzy fabric to use. So that's how you complete your project. Hope you guys enjoy. Remember to have fun. I'm going to play some music sometimes so that you can listen and get your work done. You guys have been doing a great job. I'm so proud of you, and I'm so excited to see your finished product. Remember, these emoji pillows can go home as Christmas gifts, or you can keep them for yourself. If you finish before the week is out, I might let you make another one. All right. Thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of your time sewing. Hope you have fun. Remember, it's okay if you mess up. Come see me. I will help you. It is your grade. All right. Thank you so much. Have a great evening. Have fun. Bye-bye.